Welcome to our SSR tutorials. Today I tell about senior physics important questions. First of all, 8 marks questions. Explain the formation of stationary waves in stretched strings and hence reduce the loss of transverse waves in stretched strings. How are the stationary waves formed in closed pipes? Explain the various modes of vibrations and Obenton relations for their frequencies. Explain the formation of stationary waves in air column enclosed in open pipe. Derive the equation from frequencies of the harmonics produced. These 3 questions, exactly one question will become in public examinations. And state Kirchhoff's law of an electric network. Using these laws of reduce the condition for balance in Wheatstone's bridge. State the working principle of potentiometer. Explain the help of circuit diagram how the EMF of two primary cells are compared by using the potentiometer. State the working principle of potentiometer. Explain with the help of circuit diagram how potentiometer used to determine the internal resistance of the given primary cell. Explain the principle and working of nuclear reactor with the help of a label diagram. Explain the principle of working a nuclear is most important question in given that your public examinations. And next, short answers, 4 marks questions. Define critical image. Explain the total interface reflection of using heat diagram. Explain the formation of mirrors with a neat label diagram. Explain the formation of image in simple microscope. Why does the setting in sun appear red? Explain the Doppler effect in light, difference between the red shift and blue shift. Derive the expressions of intensity at point where the interference of a light occurs. Arrive at condition for maximum and zero intensity. Does the principle of conservation of energy hold for interference and diffraction of phenomena? Explain briefly. State and explain Coulomb's law in electricity is the most important question. Next, state Guess law in the electrostatics and explain the importance. Derive the equation for couple acting on electric dipole in uniform electric field. Derive the expression of intensity of electric field at a point on axial line in electrical dipole. Derive the expression of intensity of electric field at a point equatorial plane of electric dipole. Derive an expression of capacitance in parallel plate capacitor. Derive the formula of equivalent capacitance and capacitor are connected in series. Derive the formula for equivalent capacitance and when the capacitors are connected in parallel. Derive an expression of electric potential due to a point charge. Explain the behavior of electrons in an electoral field. State and explain Biot-Savart law. State and explain Ampere's law. Derive an expression for a magnetic induction at the center of current carrying circular coil using Biot-Savart law. Describe the waves in which eddy currents are used in advantages. Obenton expressions for the magnetic energy stored in solenoid in terms of magnetic field, area and length of the solenoid. Obenton expression for mutual distance of two long coaxial solenoids. What are the limitations of Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom? Explain the different types of spectral series of hydrogen atom is the most important in this question. Next, define NAND and NOR gates. Give their truth tables. This totally 26 short answers is there. So if you read it, next I will tell you short answers. Define depression, define myopia, define hypermetropia, what is the power of convex lens, what is the focal length of radius curvature, difference between ammeter and voltmeter. A circle coil is reduced having n turns carries a current. What is its magnetic moment? What happens to compass needles at the earth's pole? What is the magnetic induction and deletion? Magnetic forms continuous closed loops. Why? What type of transformers used in a 6V bed lamp? Working of transformer. How are microwaves produced? What are the principles of production electromagnetic waves? What is cathode rays? What are the work function? What are the photoelectric equation? What is de Broglie relation? What is WWW? What is skywave propagation? What is the frequency range of speech signals? What is the universal gates? What is circuit symbols of PNP and NPN transistors? What is N-type and P-type semiconductors? Next, problems. Most important problems is 4 is there. The first one, a small angle prism of 4 degrees direct a ray through 248 degrees. Find the refractive index of prism. The focal length of convex lens in 30 centimeters. Where should object be placed at that image is 1 by 10 of its size. An open organ pipe 85 long sounded is 340 meters is fundamentals of frequency of vibration of air column. A closed organ pipe 70 centimeters is sounded if the velocity of sound is 331 meters per second. What is the fundamental frequency of vibration of air column? This 4 question is most important. If you practice these 4 questions, you will get 1 question. Thank you for watching SSR tutorials channel. Please subscribe our SSR tutorial channel and get more information of public examination. Thank you.